Alright guys. Wouldn't it be boring if I talked like that? Alright guys, so it is Monday again. It is time for a shoulder workout that can be done virtually anywhere with virtually no equipment. So today we are going to be using half cinder blocks to get a good burn on our shoulders so we can get those capped shoulders so we can look jacked, stacked, and ready for the beach this summer. So stay tuned because that's coming up in just a second. Today we're going to be doing three basic exercises for the shoulders with these half cinder blocks. So the first one is going to be your basic shoulder press. Now, this is super easy to do. Put them above your shoulders like such and simply push upwards. Now, if you're a big guy, then this isn't going to have a ton of weight because frankly, these are only about 20-25 pounds, but it actually will increase your cardio, it'll increase your reps, and it's a great way to exercise when you don't actually have any equipment because like I said, these exercises are for when you don't have any equipment. So you can do one hand, so alternating one up, 1, 2, or you can do 2 at the same time, 1, 2. Now, key for this one, because the weight is a little bit less, is to fully extend and go all the way up. So I see guys do this all the time. That's cheating, guys. Don't do that. Now let's move on to number 2. All right, guys. So to do the shoulder extension, all you're going to do is pick up your weights the same way you did for the shoulder press, and you're simply going to go up and down. So you can do this 2 arms at the same time, which is going to be significantly harder, or 1 arm at a time. It depends on how strong you are, what you feel like doing. So I usually do both. So I'll do a couple sets of 1 arm. So 1, 2, 3, or I will do 2 at the same time. So 1, 2. Now my form is probably not very good because these are actually heavier than I usually do. So that is the second exercise. That is the shoulder extension, arm extension, whatever you want to call it. That is what that is. Okay guys, so the second exercise, the third exercise we're going to do is simply the shoulder hold, or simply the weighted holdout. So what this looks like usually is you take small weights like 5-10 pounds and you hold it either out to the side or out in front of you. It's a great way to work your upper shoulders, but because these cinder blocks are pretty heavy, I don't think you're going to be able to hold 2 of them out to the side. Simply, well, I can't at least. Some of you guys probably definitely can, but as I said, I got little baby girl arms, but they work fine. So what I'm going to do is put 2 hands on it, and I'm going to hold it out in front of me for as long as I possibly can. We do this in boot camp with our rifles, so I figure this is a great way to do it here. And one thing you need to make sure is that you're not leaning back, because that's bad on your back and it doesn't put the strain on your muscles. And so you want to make sure that you're just simply holding it out in front of you and staring at it and holding it as straight, as far out in front of you as you possibly can, with your back as straight as you can, staring at the block, and hold it out. And I'm tired already. I need to work out more. Anyway, so that is number 3. So those are 3 quick, simple exercises you can do with half cinder blocks in the middle of nowhere without a gym, without any fancy equipment. So just to recap, the exercises we went over today are the shoulder press, where you hold it above your shoulders. You push up 1, 2, or at the same time, 1, 2. You hold the cinder blocks out and then you go to the side, 1 and 2, or you can go in front of you, 1 and 2, and you can do this either 1 arm at a time or 2 arms at a time, 1 and 2, and finally with 1 of your half cinder blocks, you're going to hold it out directly in front of you and pray, because it hurts your shoulders a lot, but it's good for you, so you're going to do it. And that is 1, 2, 3, 4, until as long as you can, until you're swole and you got the muscles that you want. Stay tuned because I got another video coming out. Oh man, I'm panting. It's really hot out here. I don't know if you guys know, but Redding gets bloody hot in the summer. So those are the exercises. Stay tuned. Hit that subscribe button. I got another video coming out on Wednesday with how to improve your mind now that you're working on improving your muscles. So stay tuned for that, and I will see you then. I better see you then, and have a great day.